If 4a or b equals to 6.7 and a or bn equals to 26.8, what is the value of n? Okay, now let me divide the first equation by the second equation. When I divide two equations, I have to divide the quantities we have on the left side of both the equations. Then we have 4a over b is divided by a over bn. Now let's divide the quantities we have on the right side of both the equations. Then we have 6.7 over 26.8. Okay, now let me write this fraction 4a over b as this. We can change this division as multiplication and take reciprocal of this one. Then we get bn over a. On the right side, we can divide 6.7 by 26.8. When I do so, I am getting 0.25. Let me write it. Now, b over here will cancel out. A over here will cancel out. We have 4n on the left side. On the right side, we have 0.25. Now, let me divide both sides of the equation by 4. Then this 4 will cancel out. We get n on the left side. When I divide 0.25 by 4, I am getting 0.0625. Here I got the value of n. The value of n is 0.0625.